Guys, morning po. Ah, tumungo tayo sa ating episode 6 about dun sa under ng 11 general orders. Ito ay yung general orders number 6 na sinasabi dito guys na to receive, obey, and pass on to the relieving guards all orders, the company officers, officials, supervisors, post in charge, or ship in charge. Guys, kung mayroon na receive tayong mga instruction na galing sa ating agency, inspector, o operation, or kahit kay kliyente na on the spot nandoon sa pwesto mo may sinabi, kailangan natin po i-release sa ating ship in charge or ating commanders. Malaga yun guys, para malaman agad ma-actionan ni commanders yung ano. Kung nagustuhan, visit na po sa YouTube channel ko. Salamat!